با عرض سلام خدمت دوستان و هموطنان عزیز، روائی هستم، مدیر و مؤسس مؤسسه زبان انگلیسی Vancouver TESOL Training Centre VTTC. از اونجایی که بسیاری از هموطنان عزیز با آزمون سلپیپ آشنایی ندارن، تصمیم گرفتم که از این شماره مجله همیاری در خدمتتون باشم و مطالبی رو در مورد این آزمون خدمتتون ارائه کنم. در حال حاضر مؤسسه ما به عنوان مرکز رسمی و اصلی برگزاری دوره‌های آمادگی آزمون سلپیپ شناخته شده و مستقیما زیر نظر مؤسسه پاراگون که برگزار کننده اصلی آزمون سلپیپ هستش فعالیت میکنه. در این شماره و در این فیلم سعی شده که مطالب کلی در مورد سلپیپ خدمتتون ارائه بشه. در شماره های بعدی و فیلم های بعدی مطالب جزئی تری رو خدمتتون توضیح خواهم داد. چنانچه دوست دارید که اطلاعات بیشتری داشته باشید میتونید به شماره مؤسسه که در آخر فیلم خدمتتون ارائه خواهد شد تماس بگیرید و یا میتونید به صورت حضوری به دفتر ما مراجعه بکنید و خودم در خدمتتون خواهم بود. امیدوارم که بتونید نهایت استفاده رو از این فیلم ببرید. موفق باشید.
Introduction to the Celpip tests. The Celpip General and Celpip General LS tests are both multi-purpose English language proficiency tests accredited by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, to assess functional language proficiency in English. Celpip stands for Canadian English Language Proficiency Index Program. The Celpip General Test allows test takers to demonstrate their ability to function in English through the listening, reading, writing, and speaking test components. The test gives trained raters, that is, test evaluators, ample opportunity to assess the test taker's performance in the writing and speaking tests. Raters are not required for the listening and reading tests because these are computer scored. The test assesses a test taker's English abilities in a variety of everyday situations, such as communicating with coworkers and superiors in the workplace, dealing with friends, understanding newscasts, and interpreting and responding to written materials. The Celpip General LS test allows test takers to demonstrate their ability to function in English through the listening and speaking test components, which are equal in format, design, and difficulty level to the same test components in the Celpip General test. This test has the same measurement ability, and it is scored in the same way as the Celpip General test. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada accepts this shorter test as proof of language proficiency for test takers who have applied for Canadian citizenship.
CELPIP stands for the Canadian English Language Proficiency Program, which is a set of English language proficiency tests owned and administered by Paragon Testing Enterprises, Inc. The CELPIP General Test is a complete English program that assesses general levels of functional competency. The CELPIP test is designated by Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada as proof of English language proficiency for those applying for permanent residence status in Canada. The CELPIP General LS test is a two-skill version of the CELPIP General test. It accurately assesses listening and speaking proficiencies in typical everyday situations. The CELPIP General LS test is accepted by Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada as a measure of listening and speaking proficiency for those applying for Canadian citizenship. Vancouver TESOL Training Centre CELPIP Preparation Program is based on materials that were developed by CELPIP experts to help test takers achieve their target score on the CELPIP General or CELPIP General LS test. Our CELPIP preparation program has been designed to prepare CELPIP test takers for individual components of the CELPIP tests. The CELPIP preparation program uses retired CELPIP test items and has proven to be a success in the classroom. Become familiar with the test format and performance expectation. Learn about the question types and how to respond to them. Sharpen your English skills. Learn how to build your vocabulary. Become a confident CELPIP test taker. Call 1-604-518-5748 or visit vttcenter.ca.